How to find your booking on hotels.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can find your bookings on hotels.com, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to find your bookings on hotels.com, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is just go to hotels.com here. After you do that, if you want to find the bookings that you've made, you need to use your itinerary number that was emailed to your email address. So make sure that you have an itinerary number. Click the trips option from here. Once you click on trips, here you'll find your booking that says use the itinerary number to look it up. So you can just select that option here. As you do that, you can simply enter your itinerary number, click on continue, and then you should be able to find your booking. Otherwise, most likely you'll actually see all of your upcoming trips right over here. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically find your bookings on hotels.com. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.